I'm saying hello and welcome in the Greek language. Why am I saying that? Because today is a special day. It's Pythagorean Theorem Day! What even is that? Well, Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician and he lived hundreds of years ago, but he came up with a really cool mathematical theory, and I'm going to show you how it works. It involves any, and I do mean any, right-angled triangle. So if the sides form a right angle, you can use this theory. So if you look at the length of this side, which is 3 inches, and the length of this side, which is 4 inches, if you square them, meaning you times them by each other, so 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 4 is 16. You add them together, that makes 25. And that is the exact square of the length of this side, which is 5 inches. So what it means is that if you know 2 sides of a right angled triangle, you will get to know the other side just by working out that theory. Something else that's really cool is if you build squares off of these sides, so these 2 sides here, the 3 and the 4 inches, if you look at the area of these squares and you add them together, they make the area of the bigger square. Now, it's hard to see this or understand this just by looking at this paper, but I've got Smores Proof to show you. We are going to make delicious s'mores and we are going to prove this theory. Are you ready? All right, here's Smores Proof of the theory. So I took a caramel bar and I kind of melted it, molded it, and I cut it in the exact shape and dimensions of the triangle I showed you with 3 inches, 4 inches, and 5 inches. Then I got some graham crackers and I broke them into pieces and I fit them perfectly to make these squares coming off the triangle. So here is how we show the proof. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 inches times 4 inches is 16. I found that large marshmallows are about 1 inch in diameter. So let's start with the 9. There we go. Now, 9 plus 16 makes 25. So they should, if my theory is true, they should all fit on this big one. And voila, there is our Smores Proof of the Pythagoras theory. Now we just gotta add a little bit of chocolate. So there you have it. See if you can recreate your own Smores Proof of the theory. It's a yummy way to do some math. Now let's go see if we can find Miss Janet, who has some real world examples of how to use this theory.
Hello everyone, Miss Janet here. I am on location at a skate park in Chilliwack at Webster's Landing. And why am I here? Well, it's to show you that Pythagoras' theorem is used all the time with construction workers, architects, surveyors, navigators. It's incredible. What my math teacher used to tell me is true. Math is useful. So, did you know that the way that they build skateboard ramps is to take a right angle triangle, and that will determine the length of the slope? Right here is an example. You can see the shape of the right angle triangle, and of course they've made a nice little slope for the boards and bikes to go down. And if you look all around the skate park, you can see all sorts of right angles used in the design. It's incredible. Here I am on the playground structure right beside the skate park, and I am right in the midst of right angle triangles. We've got one here on this little climbing ladder. The staircase also has used Pythagoras' theorem to make sure it's safe and the slide even. And here I am in front of townhouses. You can see behind me, look at all of those right angle triangles used in the design. It's incredible. So on this fantastic Pythagorean Theorem Day, how about you go look around your neighborhood and see what you can see. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you again soon.